Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use teasers with Shopify. Let's get started. So actually, if you go or log into your Shopify and go to your products, you will see here the products that you have imported from teasers. Okay, so to start, all you have to do is to go to Add Apps. Now, if you can't see that teasers here, you have to go to Shopify App Store. And then you can simply browse here and see if there is this DSers application. If not, then you can go to the search more and then type DSers and it will appear right here. So all you have to do is to click this one. Once you tap this, you can see this button that says install. So all you have to do is to click install button. And then after that, of course, it will ask a permission or authorization to install DSers to your Shopify. Okay, and all you have to do after you read this one is to go to the right and then click this install app. Okay, tap this install app button here. Okay, so after that, it will take you directly to this page. Now, if you don't have an account on DSers yet, what you want to do is just simply create an account, okay? But if you have an account already, what you want to do is just simply click this login, okay? But since I have then created an account on DSers, so I have to click sign up. So in order to look for the sign up button, you have to click this login. The little login and authorize, you can see here create account. So what you want to do is just simply tap create account here, and then you can sign up using your Google account, okay? But if you don't want, then you could also type your email address and then password. Now, once done, what you want to do is to click confirm and wait for a couple seconds as it is processing. So this is what DSers look like. Okay, so you can simply tap this X icon here and explore. So as you can see, we have here products and import list. Here you will see the product that you have imported from AliExpress. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now to start with everything, what we're going to do is to simply look for products or look for those specific items and that you want to add to your Shopify store with the help of AliExpress. So in order to import this from AliExpress, you just had to look for the specific item and then click this import list. And then if you go to import list and then there, you will see the product that you have moved from AliExpress to DSers import list. Okay, let's just say this one. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to look for URL or if you want to paste or copy paste an item from AliExpress to DSers, let's just say you can't find a product there and you want to explore more items on AliExpress, you can just simply create an account on AliExpress. Okay, so you can type AliExpress and create an account. And then here you can go to the search bar and look for the specific item that you're looking for. We have also categories here. So if you're looking for top hats or sunglasses, let's just say you want to sell sunglasses, all you have to do is to tap that one, then you can see tons of sunglasses items here. So let's just say you want to import this item to DSers. So all you have to do is to copy the link. Okay, right click copy or Control C, which means copy, go back to DSers and paste the link here. Control V or right click and paste. Tap this one and you have to wait for a couple of seconds, then you will see the result right here. And in order to move or push this product to your Shopify, all you have to do is to click this one here. And then what you want to do is to simply tap that specific store, name of the store, and then tap any of the boxes here. Like if you want to publish this on your Shopify store, tap that one and then click push to store and wait as it is processing. Okay. So if you see this one, if it's failed, then you have to do it again until you see this successfully pushed product. Now you can go back to your Shopify and see if it's already here, or the item or the product has been moved to your Shopify store. Here it is. So if you want to edit this, it's so easy, very simple. You just have to tap this one and change everything here, change the name. You can change or add something. If you want it a bit catchy, you can change this one. You can also change specifications here. You can modify the setting because you want it to be more specific with your item. If you think that there are tons of things to edit here for the customer to buy your product, then you could just simply do that. You can remove an item if you think that you don't want to sell this type of item. So you can remove this one. You can even add a picture or an item if you want to. Okay, you just have to add and remove. Now you can edit this part right here, tap edit, then you can edit everything here. Everything is up to you according to your product. Every detail here should be according to your product. If you want to add color or if you want to add information, you can click edit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now once you're done with this, what you want to do is just simply click save. Okay, so yes, you can edit this part right here, and once done, go to the save button, tap that one, add your information, or everything you change here will be automatically saved. Okay, that's it. So the next thing to do here, once you know how to push an item from DSers to Shopify store, is to look for this supplier optimizer. So what is this? Now, if you are looking for a specific item, or if you see the specific item, but you want to see more samples of it or more ideas about it, or if you're looking for a cheaper version of it, let's just say you want to sell this item, or you're looking for other designs or other stores, or if you're looking for a cheaper, or if you're looking for a higher cost of something, all you have to do is to copy the link, paste it right here, and then there will be tons of items same like that, okay, with different details and of course prices. Okay, it could be higher, it could be lower. Now you can filter everything here. If you're looking for this type of item, then you can just filter everything here. If you're looking for items that are selling like 500 plus a month or 300 plus a month, so you can just simply change the filters right here. Okay, and all you have to do is to look for that item. Now let's just say you are 100% sure of this item, so all you have to do is simply copy the link, and again you can paste it to your DSers import list, or you can just simply click this add to DSers. Now if you want to modify or change the setting or change the description of your product here on DSers before moving it to your Shopify, yes, you can also do that. You just have to tap this three dots here and then look for shipping information, and here you can simply edit everything. Okay, so the address, you can also edit the information, the product. You can delete and add certain products here. You can change the information and the detail of the product. Let's just say you don't want to sell this product, so you can also delete this one. If you want to sell color brand, color red, everything is up to you. You could change description. You can delete images, and you can add images if you want to. Also, shipping information. Once done, click save and then push this to your Shopify store. As easy as that. Then you can go back to your Shopify store and see if this product is available and ready to sell. And that's how easy it is to use DSers with Shopify. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!